Today's word is
advocate. Advocate can be used as a verb as well as a noun. Advocate, advocate, advocate. Verb meaning: to publicly support or recommend a particular idea or action. Noun meaning: a person who supports or speaks in favor of something.
examples.
Many experts advocate regular exercise. She advocates for equal opportunities in education. He is a strong advocate for environmental protection. Try using this word today. Please subscribe and join with us for daily vocabulary lessons.